Canned fruits and vegetables often get a bad reputation, but in reality, they can be an incredibly practical, nutrient-dense addition to a healthy diet, especially during seasons when fresh produce is scarce, expensive, or inconvenient. Modern preservation techniques allow for long shelf life without sacrificing much in the way of vitamins and minerals, meaning canned options can provide essential nutrients even when fresh counterparts are out of season or geographically unavailable. For anyone trying to eat well year-round or aiming to reduce food waste, understanding how to select and use canned foods can turn them from a perceived compromise into a strategic, health-supporting choice. One of the most positive aspects of canned fruits and vegetables is that they are often picked and preserved at peak ripeness, locking in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in a way that sometimes surpasses fresh produce that has traveled long distances. Take canned tomatoes as an example. Research has consistently shown that they can actually contain higher levels of certain beneficial compounds, like lycopene, than fresh tomatoes, because the canning and gentle heating process breaks down cell walls and makes these antioxidants more bioavailable. This means that soups, stews, sauces, and even simple tomato-based dishes can deliver robust nutrient support in a convenient form, helping maintain immune function, skin health, and cardiovascular protection without the need for constant trips to the farmer's market. The key to maximizing the health benefits of canned produce is learning to choose the right options. For vegetables, low-sodium or no-salt-added varieties are essential to prevent excessive sodium intake, which can contribute to high blood pressure if consumed frequently. Rinsing canned beans, corn, or green beans underwater can further reduce sodium content while preserving the core nutrients. For fruits, it's important to select products canned in water or natural juice rather than heavy syrup, as added sugars can undermine the nutritional advantages and contribute to energy spikes and cravings. These small but mindful choices allow canned foods to provide reliable vitamins, fiber, and minerals without unnecessary additives. Safety is another consideration, particularly concerning BPA, bisphenol A, a chemical historically used in can linings that has raised concerns due to its potential endocrine-disrupting effects. Fortunately, many manufacturers now offer BPA-free cans, and looking for labels that indicate BPA-free packaging is a simple and effective way to minimize exposure. Additionally, choosing glass jars or cartons for some can-like products, when available, can further reduce any residual risk. Taking these steps ensures that the convenience of canned foods doesn't come at the cost of safety. Canned foods also offer enormous versatility in meal planning, particularly during the winter or in regions with limited fresh produce. Canned vegetables can be stirred into soups, stews, and casseroles to add both flavor and texture, while canned fruits can serve as quick snacks, smoothie bases, or additions to breakfast cereals and yogurt bowls. They can also help increase meal variety without requiring fresh produce to spoil quickly, making it easier to maintain a consistent intake of vegetables and fruits throughout the week. Another positive aspect is that canned foods can encourage more sustainable eating habits. They have a long shelf life, which helps prevent food waste, and because they are often produced regionally or imported efficiently, they can reduce the carbon footprint associated with frequent trips for fresh produce. Moreover, canned options make it easier for busy households or those with limited access to fresh foods to maintain a balanced diet without compromise. In short, when chosen thoughtfully, canned fruits and vegetables can be just as nutritious and sometimes even more beneficial than fresh options. Opting for low-sodium, no-added sugar varieties, rinsing where appropriate, and checking for BPA-free packaging allows you to harness the convenience, affordability, and nutrient density of canned foods while minimizing any downsides. Far from being a compromise, canned produce can be a smart, reliable, and health-supporting strategy that ensures you get essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants year-round, making it an ally for both immunity and long-term well-being.